Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel without showing your face? In this video, I will share with you tips on how to start a faceless YouTube channel. First, choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a market demand. Research trending topics in your niche and create content that provides value to your audience. Focus on creating high-quality content that engages viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for SEO to increase visibility on YouTube. Promote your videos on social media platforms to attract a larger audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider viewer base. Monetize your channel through methods like ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Engage with your audience through comments, live streams, and social media interactions. Consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and interested. Invest in good quality equipment like cameras, microphones, and lighting for better video production. Experiment with different video formats to see what works best for your channel. Track your analytics to understand what content is performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated with YouTube trends and algorithm changes to keep your channel growing. Create a compelling channel trailer that introduces new viewers to what your channel is about. Interact with your viewers through Q&A, sessions, polls, and community posts. Engage with other creators in your niche by commenting on their videos and collaborating on projects. Join YouTube communities and forums to connect with other creators and learn from their experiences. Invest in your channel by taking courses on video editing, SEO, and audience engagement. Celebrate milestones with your audience to foster a sense of community and loyalty.